Hey everyone! How's it going? You know what, I'm having really good products for you, and now in this video we are telling about the best Halloween costumes for men and women. On my view or judgment, I formed about something new and I have listed them based on facts and features. If you want to watch more interesting videos like this, so don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube app for never miss any update. If you want more product information, check out the links in the description for complete products information and best price. With Halloween just a few weeks away, the countdown is officially on to tap into your frightful creativity and forget, once and for all, your old witch costume and that rotten pumpkin. You don't need to spend a fortune or a day on getting everything just right. Some of our favorite costumes require little more effort than pulling on a jumpsuit and mask. We have a selection of Halloween costumes for women and men of all styles and sizes. Watch this video to find plus-size costumes, funny adult costumes, and even sexy costumes. You can buy these Halloween costumes today at the best price. Watch this video till end for more interesting Halloween costume ideas. Let's start. At number 1 is Future Memories Flintstones Group Costume Set. This Flintstones group costume will have you dressing up with your best friends from Bedrock. Live out your favorite cartoon as a kid in this classic cartoon TV group costume. Includes Fred and Wilma Flintstone and Barney and Betty Rubble costumes. Standard size, fits most adults. It is the #1 family costume in our collection for this year. Check out the description for best price. At number 2 is Chocolate Factory Deluxe Willy Wonka costume. If you are ready to get your candy career started, there is really no better icon to compare yourself to than the Imagination King himself, Willy Wonka. That's why you need this men's deluxe Willy Wonka costume. It looks just like the one worn by Gene Wilder in the film classic, with a long purple coat, frilly shirt front, gold bow tie, and even his signature brown top hat. Now all you need to do is somehow gain access to a world-class factory, get a good sugar supplier, and find some workers who have some mad rhyming skills, and then you will be all set. At number 3 is Rubie's men's Marvel Avengers Infinity War Iron Man Deluxe costume. Deluxe Iron Man padded costume jumpsuit with attached shoe covers, half mask included. Even if you have outgrown trick or treating, you are never too old to wear a costume. Revisit over-the-top Halloweens you enjoyed as a child, or finally get the costume you really wanted but didn't get. Whatever the reason or the season, dressing up to take the kids trick or treating, or to hand out candy, making a splash at a party, grabbing attention at a movie premiere, or getting together with friends to start your own band of superheroes. At number 4 is DC Comics Wonder Woman costume t-shirt set. DC Comics and Rubies have teamed up to create this costume you can wear every day. Put on this Wonder Woman t-shirt to show off your superhero style. Features a red short sleeves crew neck top with Wonder Woman printed detail. Shirt comes with solid red cape that is attached with Velcro, golden headpiece tiara included with a red star in the center. Look for other superhero designed t-shirt costumes for group dress-up fun. Great for daily wear, group costume events, movie premieres, Comic-Con, cosplay, fun runs, trick or treat, Halloween and more. At number 5 is California Costumes Women's Twisted Clown costume. This California Costumes Women's Twisted Halloween costume is exactly what you need to make a big impression this Halloween. In red, white and black, the bold and sassy dress, petticoat, and socks create a complex look that's psychotic and fierce. Finish off the look with the included clown hat and ruffled circus collar to look like you just popped out of a Jack-in-the-Box. Add clown, fake blood and balloon animals to build a more dynamic and unforgettable costume. Don't wait to nail down what you are wearing this Halloween. At number 6 is Smiffy's Women's Immortal Soul costume. This sexy vampire costumes for women includes an extra long black dress. The Gothic dress features long draped lace sleeves and a jagged edge hemline. Our vampire costumes for women comes in adult sizes extra large, medium, small, large. Perfect as a dark mistress vampire costume, or add a black witch hat for an elegant witch costume. At number 7 is Men's Woody Deluxe Adult Costume Kit. Toy around with the idea of being Woody from Toy Story. The Woody Kit Deluxe brings this fun costume idea to life. Add your own jeans and western shirt. This Toy Story Halloween costume is sure to bring smiles to the faces of your guests. Lightweight brushed tricot printed handkerchief. Brown felt cowboy hat. Heavyweight brushed tricot cow print vest with attached vinyl sheriff badge. At number 8 is Forum Novelties Women's Funky Dancing Fox 70s Disco costume. Relive the magic of disco with the women's 70s funky dancing fox costume by Forum Novelties. Halter-top jumpsuit with low-cut V-neck, purple, gold, blue psychedelic pattern with a shimmer metallic finish, and complete with gathered bell-bottoms on the legs. People wanted to look good and get down and boogie. Pair together with Forum Novelties men's 70s disco dynamite dude costume shirt for a groovy matching look. It was all about the fashy style, loud music, and strutting your moves across the dance floor. Forum Novelties men's 70s disco dynamite dude costume shirt a groovy matching time. Get ready to get down this Halloween. At number 9 is women's deluxe toga tunic costume. This deluxe toga costume features a tunic dress with attached shoulder drape and belt. This gorgeous outfit is the perfect choice for women looking for the classic toga look combined with style. Include tunic and belt. The wraparound style, sweetheart neckline and ornate motifs turn this outfit into a beautiful costume designed to fit and flatter for Roman-themed parties. At number 10 is Secret Wishes Star Wars Princess Leia costume. You are ready to destroy the Death Star in this iconic Star Wars Princess Leia costume. The full-length, long-sleeve white dress features a turtleneck and attached hood. It has a convenient hook and loop closure as well as an off-center slit to allow for easy walking as you serve on the Imperial Senate. No Princess Leia costume is complete without her famous hairstyle. Complete the look with a white and silver belt and a wig featuring Leia's signature hairstyle. At number 11 is Morph Novelty Piggyback Funny Unisex costume. Piggyback costume. Grab your brand new hottest costume craze for this Halloween party. Piggyback costumes are what everyone is wearing to big events and parties, nothing better than a great optical illusion costume to make heads turn and raise eyebrows. These are perfect for stag do's, definitely going to raise the bar over the lads with the t-shirts with a name on the back. Pretty clear who is going to have the most fun. These costumes are perfect for Halloween and group costumes, just stuff the legs, grab your friends and you are ready to have fun. Morph costumes from Morph Suits, the world's most popular costume brand. Over 2 million costumes sold. At number 12 is Dream Girl Men's King of Egypt King Tut costume. The mighty King of Egypt always got what he desired, with never a shortage of love slaves for him to hire. Reign your kingdom as a vision of desire in this versatile men's costume featuring a detailed Egyptian collar with attached gold cape, sleeveless shirt, wrist gauntlets, Egyptian headpiece, an Eye of Horus necklace and shendit skirt. It is available in many sizes and can also be worn without the skirt. It does not include the sandals. In our analysis of 19 expert reviews, the Dream Girl Men's Egyptian King Tut costume placed 12th when we looked at the top 20 costumes for men and women. At number 13 is RASTA IMPOSTA Taco Bell Diablo Packet costume. Spice it up in the Taco Bell sauce packet Diablo costume. Your favorite sauces just became the costume you never knew you always wanted with printed wisdom next level. You will be saucy all night, fits most teens and adults. Pullover costume worn over clothing for party-friendly wearing. At number 14 is Rubie's Men's Beetlejuice Deluxe costume. Beetlejuice costume comes with black and white striped jacket, pants and dickie. With this deluxe Beetlejuice costume, you can try out your haunting skills while looking like the ghost with the most himself. This officially licensed costume recreates the look of his classic striped suit jacket and pants he wears when he's performing his devious trade, with pocket flaps and a white dress shirt and black tie dickie to complete the suit. Wear this suit on its own for a classy supernatural fashion statement, or slap on some ghoulish makeup and a wig to look just like Beetlejuice. At number 15 is California Costumes Men's Adult Cutthroat Pirate costume. Do what you want, a pirate is free. The Cutthroat pirate costume comes with a black and white shirt, belt, pants, boot tops, wrist cuffs, and head tie. Add the adult-sized Cutthroat pirate costume to your order this year so that you can become a scalawag with no comparison. At number 16 is Spooktacular Creations Men's Day of the Dead costume. Day of the Dead costume for men includes mariachi Spanish sugar skull print jacket with attached cuffs and red rose. Mock shirt with attached tie, mask, red belt sash, sombrero hat, one pair of black pants with white sugar skull embroidery trim design along the sides, one pair of gloves. Mexican mariachi Sonor Man suit Day of the Dead costume deluxe set. Realistic looking, super durable. Superior quality, 100% polyester. This is the best costume you should buy. At number 17 is Women's Gothic Red Riding Hood costume. Perfect for Halloween, themed events, or just for fun. The Goth Red Riding Hood costume by Leg Avenue features a daring red satin and brocade peasant dress adorned with a black Venetian lace trim, topped off with the adorable matching hood. Gorgeous satin character dress and mini cloak are trimmed with intricate Venice lace for a truly standout storybook costume. This grown-up Little Red Riding Hood is the perfect Halloween costume for theme parties, cosplay, or adventures in the woods. At number 18 is Leg Avenue Women's delightful Mad Hatter Halloween costume. This delightful Hatter costume will give you a feminine version of Mad Hatter's typical garb. You will look fetching in a belted overcoat with dashing large lapels and checkered trim. The lavender mini dress that is worn underneath the jacket and also features a similar checkered pattern and vertical stripes. You will love topping the look off with a large bow tie choker necklace and the matching top hat. Of course, the stylish hat is fashioned with a large clock embellishment. You will look so high fashion that the party planners may just ask you to strut down the catwalk at next year's show. At number 19 is California Costumes Women's Lethal Beauty costume. Lethal Beauty adult costume includes an adjustable dress, mask, glovelets, boot covers, printed leggings, and detachable train for a look so seductive, it's deadly. Tempt anyone with your poisonous kiss this Halloween in this stunning costume. At number 20 is Women's Dreadful Nun Halloween costume. Horror themes are one of our favorite costume genres, and with costume experience decades in the making, we sought out to provide bold new costumes of the most frightening variety. This Women's Dreadful Nun costume checks all the boxes. We designed this exclusive costume as a nun dress over scarred scratched sleeves and leggings along with a headpiece. It features jagged edges to differentiate with a more typical nun costume, and it's also got an upside-down cross printed on the collar for extra effect. We are sure when you choose this costume, you will be quite the frightening nun. Don't miss this costume if you actually enjoy the Halloween. These are the best Halloween costumes for men and women you can buy right now. Subscribe our channel and don't forget to check out the links in the description for best price.